Little storyteller.
Penny, a small bunny with soft white fur and big curious eyes, loved to paint. Her cozy burrow was filled with colorful drawings of flowers, butterflies, and her best friend, Finley the fox, who had a bushy orange tail and a friendly smile. One sunny morning, a little fairy with shimmering wings visited Penny. "I have a special gift for a talented artist like you," she chirped, handing Penny a paintbrush that glowed with a soft rainbow light. "This is a magical sound painting brush." Penny dipped the brush onto her painting palette. She touched the paper, imagining the sound of a big, brassy trumpet. Suddenly, a bright red splash appeared on the paper. Then she thought of Finley whispering a secret. With a gentle stroke, a soft blue swirl bloomed next to the red splash. Penny giggled. This was amazing. "Can I paint a whole song?" she wondered. Penny decided to paint the sounds of the meadow. She painted a series of bright yellow dots for the buzzing of the busy bees flitting around colorful flowers. Then she added wavy green lines for the gentle breeze rustling the tall green grass. For the sound of the sparkling blue river flowing over smooth gray stones, Penny painted shimmering silver streaks. Suddenly, Penny heard a series of cheerful chirps outside her burrow. It was Finley. He was hopping excitedly, eager to play. Penny smiled and painted a series of bright orange zigzags on her paper, imagining Finley's happy little sounds. Penny showed Finley her sound painting. Finley tilted his head, his ears twitching. Then, as they both looked at the colorful artwork, they started to hear the sounds they had painted. The buzzing bees, the gentle breeze, the flowing river, and Finley's happy chirps all filled the air in a sweet melody. Penny and Finley looked at each other, their eyes wide with joy. Painting sounds was even more fun with a friend. They realized that just like different colors make a beautiful picture, different sounds can come together to create a wonderful song.
Please subscribe. Thank you.